This is the second video in a series of videos on the OPC Systems HMI dashboard. In this video we're going to learn how to use the OPC Systems HMI dashboard to add additional screens to the existing dashboard application. We have our template open and we're now going to add one more screen to the existing application. If you have not already viewed the introductory video, please do so. We're going to take the template screen and we'll just open that up and take a look at it. You'll see that it really doesn't consist of much. We have a header at the top and our close button. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this screen and then we'll implement that into the application. So I'm going to right click on this window and we'll select copy. And I'm going to come back up here and select Windows and paste that here. We'll go ahead and close out the screen that we had selected. We're going to come up and change the name of the template and we'll just call it Temp1. Now we'll open that in our class. We'll change our class from Temp to Temp1 and the name to Temp1 and the title to Temp1. Also, we're going to come over here and change the class name and the code behind to Temp1 and save our project. Now that we've saved our project, let's come back to our main window. And in the XAML file, we're going to scroll down till we get to the menu item and we'll add a space in here and we're just going to copy the last menu item that was entered and we'll paste that in. And we'll change the name from menu trend to menu temp 1, the header to temp 1, and that's going to be what's actually displayed on the menu item. And then the tag, this is important, we're going to change that to temp 1 also. The tag variable has to match the name of the actual window file. Now that we've done that, we can save our application and run it. We now have our application running. Let's log in using our OPC Systems login name and password. And we'll select My Screens and we'll just go to Screen 2 here and pick a window to add. And there's our Temp1 window. We've now added that into that screen. We can resize it and then save that. So now when we switch to, let's say, Screen 4 or 5 and back to Screen 2, there's our Temp1 window. Also, let's log off here and log back in and we'll see that we're displaying our Temp1 window and Screen 2. So very easy to add additional windows into your application. Obviously you can take that temp window, copy it as many times as you like and develop more screens based off of that. You can also just add a standard Windows screen if you don't want to use the foundation or the template that we've created. And you can do that just by adding that to that Windows menu in our structure. So let's go back here and to our application. You'll see the location for the windows. This is important to put your new windows under this folder here. That allows you to add them into the menu without having to do any code whatsoever other than just creating the menu item. And that concludes this video on adding a window into the OPC Systems HMI dashboard template. For more information on OPC Systems and our products, check us out at www.opcsystems.com.